Hello, hi guys. We are going to learn today a new topic which is transpose function. So basically this deal with suppose you have entered data horizontal and now you have to do it vertical. Suppose there is a person whom you assign your work and he entered data vertical, but you need to know you need it uh, it horizontal. So what we can do, there is a one manual option. We should type again. Suppose if it would be nearby 1000 data, at least it will take more 2 3 hours, might be one day. So for the same data we can do, so there is a one function which will know uh, transpose function. So what we have to do, just we have to select the whole data which we want to transpose. So after selecting, be careful. After just count row and column, because after this you have we have to give more that much of space, then we can do transpose. See, just I have taken more 5 spaces, that after year. So let's see. So so A13. I'm sorry, I'm just doing again. Okay. So I'm taking A14. I'm taking more space because I don't want any kind of problem. As you can say, you have to do one thing. You have to do Control Alt E, Alt V for the special paste, and you can see transpose. Just click on it and you will get your result. So if suppose this is a very small data, but if it would be bigger data, 1000 entries and all, so it would be kind of very tough task to do again. So within a minute, within a second, I can say 10 to 20 seconds, you can change your data with help of transpose function. So I'm writing here the shortcuts key, Control Alt V for the special paste. So just you have to put, after the selecting, copy your data which you want to change, take space, after take space, appropriate space, and after you just do you just use this shortcut and click, after click transpose function. So you will get your result. Okay. So this is a very wonderful feature actually. When I was working in my office, so I got this problem. So my senior said that you have to change. So I have giving you I have given I'm giving you one. Let's see, once I am going to repeat. Please see carefully. I'm selecting Control C. I have pressed on this, and again I'm just doing Control Alt V. Now transpose function done. Oh no, very good. So